Dodo, come! Dodo likes the hand-soy brush to brush its bristles very much. This is a precious moment for both of us. There are skin-friendly spherical beads at the end of the fine needles of the hand-soy brush. It is not too soft, not too hard, and the itching makes pet feel very comfortable. Most pets will fall in love with the hand-soy brush. Hand-soy brush can remove 90% of shedding and keep your home clean.
Choose hand-soy brush. The baby is comfortable and enjoyable, and the owner is happy too.